We'll start. Vinayaka namastubhyam satatam modaka priya nirvignam kuru me deva sarvakaryeshu sarvada. Saraswati namastubhyam varade kamarupini vidyarambham karishyami siddhir bhavatu me sada. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwarah Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Ramanama Varanane Apadama Pahartaram Dataram Sarvasampadam Lokabhiramam Shri Ramam Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyaham Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedhase Raghunathaaya Nathaya Sitaaya Pataye Namaha. Sri Raghavam Dasharathatmajam Aprameyam Sitapatim Raghukulan Vayaratnadipam Ajanubahum Aravinda Dalayatakham Ramam Nishachara Vinashakaram Namami. Sri Raghurama Charu Tulasi Daladhama Shamakshama Shangara Gunadhirama Sri Jagannatha Shaurya Ramalalama Durvaruka Bandha Rakshasa Virama Jagajjana Kalmasharnavottaraka Nama Bhadragiri Dasarathi Karunapayonidhi Anjaneyamati Patalananam Kanchanadrikamaniya Vigraham Parijata Tarumulavasinam Bhavayami Pavamananandanam Yatra Yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam Tatra Tatra Kritamastakanjalim Bashpavari Paripurnalochanam Marutim Namata Rakshasantakam Buddhir Balam Yashodhairyam Nirbhayatvamarogata Ajadyam Vakpatutvancha Hanumat Smaranad Bhavet. Pujantam Rama Rameti Madhuram Madhuraksharam Aruhya Kavita Shakham Vande Valmiki Kokilam. Sarvebhyo Namaha. Suprabhatam. Adhyatana Panchangam Plavanama Samvatsare Uttarayani Grishmartau Ashadhamase Shuklapakshe Ashtami Tithi till 5:11 p.m. Kiravasaraha Chitra Nakshatram till 4:03 p.m. followed by Swati. Siddha Yogaha till 7:18 p.m. followed by Sadhya Yogaha. Bhava Karanam, like always, first Karanam will be matching with the Tithi timing. So Bhava Karanam till 5:11 p.m. followed by Balava Karanam till 4:07 a.m. followed by Kaulava Karanam tomorrow morning. Sarvebhyah Suprabhatam. So we completed the 29th Sarga. I'm sorry. Can anyone recap 29th Sarga?
Vishwamitra Muni entered into Yajna Diksha, and Ram and Lakshmana were all set to protect that Yajna, which he was about to start.
Correct. Uttama. So we'll start the Athatrimshat Sargah.
Athatrimshat Sargah.
Athatau Desha Kalajñau
Athatau Desha Kalajñau
Rajaputra Varindamau
Rajaputra Varindamau
Deshe Kale Cha Vakyajñau
Deshe Kale Cha Vakyajñau
Abrutam Kaushikam Vachah.
Abrutam Kaushikam Vachah.
So Kaushikam Vachaha Abrutam. So they said unto Kaushika Vishwamitra, they said the following. Atha Tau Dvau. Tau is Dvivachanam. So those two. Desha Kalajñau. Those who have knowledge of the place and the time. That is very, very important, right? We say 3 dimensions. Time and place. When we say Desha, of course, it has 2 dimensions in it, right? X and Y. Then time is the third one. So Desha Kalajnau, Rajaputrau, Arindamau. We always heard this Arindama several times. Ari Shatru, Dama, somebody who suppresses or can control enemies, is Arindamaha. Dvau, these are all the Dvivachanam. So Rama and Lakshman together. So Dvivachanam. So Desha Kalajnau, Rajaputrau, Arindamau, Deshe Kale Cha Vakyajnau. So Desha Kalajnau, they said. Again, Deshe Kale Cha Vakyajnau, Abrutam Vachaha. So Desha Kalajnau is those who have the knowledge of the Desha, the region, the place, and Kala, time, meaning what event is happening, what is the time now, is it, so those who are aware of the time and place are Desha Kalajnau, and Deshe Kale Cha Vakyajnau is the second substantiation done there, which means not only are they aware of the place and time, they are aware of what to say in which place and which time. Based on each region, in some region, if you say one way of greeting, that they may take in a good way, but in another region, the same greeting if you use, they might understand it differently. Right? They might even misunderstand. So, based on the Desha, you have to apply that Vakya. Likewise, Kala. Happy Sunday, for example, or Happy Friday. But that moment when somebody is in sorrow, if you go and say Happy Friday, that is also incorrect. So you should know Deshe Kale Cha Vakyajnau. So how to speak, in which place, in which event. Knowing the place, because in order to speak how, you should know what. So Desha Kalam Cha Janati, Desha Kalajnau. Such Arindamo Rama Lakshmanau, Kaushikam Idam Vachaha Abrutam. Abravit, we would have heard several times, right? Abravit is Ekavachanam. Abruvan, we would have heard when all the Munaya Sarve Abruvan, we have heard that. That is in Bahuvachanam, past tense. So Abravit, Ekavachanam, past tense. Abruvan, Bahuvachanam, past tense. Abrutam. Abrutam is Dvivachanam, because it is Desha Kalajnau Rama Lakshmanau. So Abrutam. Little Sanskritam. Also we can, if we remember, that's all. If we just remember that much, we know Sanskritam. So Bhagavan Shrotumichavo.
Bhagavan Shrotumichavo.
Yasmin Kale Nishacharau.
Yasmin Kale Nishacharau.
Rakshaniyau Tau Brahman.
Rakshaniyau
To Brahman.
Samrakshaniyau Tau Brahman.
Samrakshaniyo To Brahman.
Nivarteta Tatshanam.
Vivarteta Takshanam.
So, Idam Vachaha Kaushikam Abrutam. So, what did they say? They said Bhagavan, meaning, godly person, Vishwamitra. So, Bhagavan, Shrotumichavaha. Shrotumichami is what normally we hear. Ichhami, Pathami, Vandami, Gachami. These words we would have heard. Ichhavaha is in Dvivachanam. So both of them are saying we want to. Ichhamaha is Bahuvachanam. We use that in our Prarthana in several times, right? Maha, it comes. Tell any one shloka for Prarthana. Namamo. We say Namamo, which means Namamaha. Namamaha Bhumi Mataram, we say. Namamaha. So that is in Bahuvachanam. We normally hear, Namami, Namami Pada Pankajam, and all shlokas. That is in Ekavachanam. I do. Namamaha, we all do. Namavaha, we too do. It's only Rama and Lakshmana there. So they are saying Ichhavaha. It is in Dvivachanam. So Shrotum Ichhavaha, Yasmin Kale, in which time, in whichever time, Nishacharau. There are two Nishacharau, and their names will come later. Again, Nishacharau is Bhav. So there is Rama and Lakshmana two, Dvivachanam, but the Nishacharas are also in two in number there, the main leaders. Nishacharau. Samrakshaniyau. So this is a strange word here. They are asking, how can we protect those two Nishacharas? Samrakshaniyau normally means. But the bhashyam given here is Samrakshaniyau Nivaraniyau is another meaning there. Normally Samrakshanam means to protect. But here it is a sarcastic saying, oh, how should we protect them? हम दोनों उसको कैसे बचाए? Which means उन दोनों को इस यज्ञ से कैसे बचाए? Meaning, how can we keep them away? In which time do they come? Just give us some more details so that we will be prepared. That is what essentially they are asking. Brahman tat kshanam nivarteta. You just tell them when do they come, in which time they come, and tat kshanam nivarteta. Nivartanam is going back. Vartanam is staying. Nivartanam is karya nivrittihi, we say, retired from work, no more going to work. So that tat kshanam will retire them from this, from this land or from this yajna, whatever. Evam bruvano kakutstau.
Evam bruvano kakutstau.
Swaramano yuyutsaya.
Swaramano yuyutsaya.
Sarve tu munayah prita.
Sarve tu munayah prita.
Prashamsur nrupatmajau. Prashamsur nrupatmajau.
Prashamsur nrupatmajau.
Very good, Lena. Very happy to hear you back again after vacation. So Prashamshuhu, they also praised just like that. Just like I praised you now, this Prashamsha. Prashamshuhu is in past tense. They have praised. Who? Munayah sarve. All the munis together, they have praised, just like I praised Lena. Prashamsuhu nrupatmajau, unto those two princes, Rama and Lakshmana. How evam bruvanau kakutstau twaramanau yuyutsaya. Those are the adjectives given to those nrupatmajau. Evam bruvanau, thus saying, thus unto those two Rama and Lakshmana who are talking, kakutstau, descendants of Kakutsa, twaramanau yuyutsaya. They were in a hurry. Twaramanau, twara is haste or fast. They are there in a hurry. For what? Yuyutsaya, to do the yuddha. That day, okay, Tataka was one lady, old lady, that's okay. But now we heard there are two, very ferocious and strong guys. So we are ready. Yuyutsa is eagerness to fight. Yuddham kartum ichha yuyutsa. Vaktum ichha vivaksha. Patum ichha pipasa. These are patterns of Sanskritam. So yuddham kartum ichha yuyutsa. By that or through that is yuyutsaya. So yuyutsaya twaramano kakutstau Krupatmajau te sarve munayah pritaha prashamsuhu. Because they say, hey, just tell when do they come and we'll see that they are protected well. That means we see that they are gotten rid of. Having said that, all the munis were pritaha. Somebody wanted to say something? I heard some noise or sound.
Bhogaji, in first sloka, you said 3 dimensions, right? Desha, Kala, but Desha is only 1 dimension, Kala is another dimension. What do you mean by 3 dimensions?
Desha itself is 2 dimensions, right? Land is 2 dimensions, X and Y.
Can you give an example?
No, every land has length and breadth, right? 2 dimensions are there.
Okay.
So when we say 3D, y axis is there, but that is more for volume. In Desha, we don't consider volume. So for us, the third dimension is the time. The land by itself, or the region by itself, x and y, or x, y, and z also are relative. Only when you add time to it, then the absoluteness will come. That is the current physics also, right? Not current, even quite some time back onwards. Einstein brought that relativity and all. We have our mathematics professor, Dr. Kausalya, also here. Kausalya ji, do you want to add there?
Okay.
Okay. So, clear? Raghuji, clear, right?
Yes, Bhogaji,
So,
thank you.
the reason I said 3D, call it 3D, 2D, 5D, whatever. But the point that I wanted to mention is, we were always aware that if you just take Desha into consideration, it is not absolute. And we were always mentioning absolute location, absolute locative points. In our Sankalpa also, we do it in two parts. We start with Bharatvarshe, Bharatakande, whatever there, or Indrakande, America Deshes, whatever. So that is location, Desha. And then immediately we say, Asman Vartamana Vyavaharika Chandramanena, and then we get into Plavanama Samvatsare and time. So Desha, Kala should always go together for getting absolute location of the determinant. Absolute determinant will be with Desha and Kala together. We are aware of it always, even in Ramayanam, whether in Puja, wherever. Just to emphasize that, I said 3D. The point is that these two go together always, scientifically also.
Thank you, Bhogaji.
And then they are continuing. Adya Prabhuti Shadratram.
Oh,
Adya Prabhuti Shadratram.
Rakshatam Raghavau Yuvam.
Rakshatam Raghavo Yuvam.
Diksham Gato Hyesha Munihi.
Diksham Gato Shesha Munihi.
Maunitvam Chagamishyati.
Maunitvam Chagamishyati.
What happened to Pragna's voice? Pragna also went on vacation. Huh?
What happened?
Your voice is not coming from.
Isn't?
Little, meaning your voice used to be very more loud and, or loud as in more energetic. Huh?
Kichural.
Energy, lack of energy.
Lack of energy.
Yeah.
You look tired also. Lack of energy. Yeah. All well?
Yeah.
Very good. Good to see both our Rama Lakshmana here, Tina and Pragna. So they are saying Adya Prabhuti. Prabhuti is starting from now. So Adya Prabhuti, from today onwards. Shadratram, 6 nights. Rakshatam, please protect. Raghavau Yuvam. Tvam Yuvam Yuyam. Bahuvachanam is Yuyam. Yuvam is Vivachanam. So where Raghav, Yuvam, Adya Prabhuti Shadratram Rakshatam. You have to protect for 6 nights. Diksham Gataha Eshaha Munihi. All these Munis are saying about Vishwamitra. Once Vishwamitra takes the Diksha, Maunitvam cha Gamishyati. He will get into Maunitvam. That means silence. Maunam. He will be in silence. So that means he will not be talking. No more instructions to you. If you have any questions, whatever questions you have, ask them now. Kind of our style of current style of saying it, right? Any questions before I start? That's what they're saying. Diksham Gataha Eshaha Munihi Maunitvam cha Gamishyati. He took Diksha, and so he will get into Maunitvam. Maunitvam, one word is, one simple saying is Muni. Maunitvam is from Muni. That means he'll be getting into the Muniness. And the Muniness essentially is about silence. Silence of not only voice, silence of thoughts as well. Because most of us in our childhood, our elderly parents, our elderly generations, they used to do Maunavratam once a week, every week. With our grandmothers and all, we remember them. But their only voice silence was there, sound silence was there, thought silence was not there. They would do all the acting, to give all the instructions, don't do this, don't do that. So mind was working, just that the voice was not working. Even that is of some benefit. At least one day you have given rest to your vocal cords, right? So that is also good. But the Maunitvam is about silence of thoughts as well. That means Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. That is Maunitvam. Maunitvam Chagamishyati. And so you have to take care of these 6 nights, coming 6 nights, is what Munayaha Sarve, they told unto him. Tau cha tadvachanam shrutva.
तौ च तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा
Rajaputrau Yashasvinau
राजपुत्रौ यशस्विनौ
Anidrau Shadahoratram
अनिद्रौ षडहोरात्रं
Tapo Vanamarakshatam.
तपोवनमरक्षताम्.
So Taucha, those two, and those two, Tadvachanam Shrutva, having heard that statement from the Munis that Vishwamitraji will be going into Maunitvam, and so you have to protect the next 6 nights. Rajaputrau Yashasvinau, the very famous 2 princes. Anidrau, Nidra Yasya Asti Saha Nidraha. Nidrau Dvivachanam. Anidrau, without sleep, night outs. For 6 nights they have stayed awake, night outs. And that is why in the very beginning Vishwamitra gave him Bala. What was the other one? Bala and
Atibala, I think.
Bala
Bala
and
Bala, Atibala.
Bala and Atibala. Bala and Atibala he gave. So those 2 tonics, in a way, if you have to, in the contemporary material world, it is tonics like that. But in yogic world, it is mantras and that yoga shakti. So with that, Anidrau, they stayed 6. Shad, Aho Ratram. Ahaha is day, Ratri is night. So 6 days and nights, they stayed awake without sleeping. Anidrau. And Tapovanam Arakshatam. They have protected that Tapovanam. Tapovanam, where that Siddhashrama, where Vishwamitra, along with other munis, went into Diksha and doing that tapas. Upasanchakraturvirau.
Upasanchakraturviryo
Virau.
Virau
Yattau Paramadhanvinau.
Yatto Paramadhanvinau
Rarakshatur Munivaram.
Tarakshatur Munivaram
Vishwamitramarindamau.
Vishwamitramarindamau.
So those 2, Arakshatam, simple word he said, he protected, those 2 protected that Tapovanam for 6 days and nights without sleeping. That's all, that was statement. Now elaborating how did they do that. Upasan chakratuhu. Upasan chakratuhu. Upasan is upasanam. Upasanam is staying there, sitting there, doing everything that is required. Right? When we say Sandhya Upasanam or Veni Upasanam, Sri Vidya Upasanam, whatever, which means you are sitting there fully focused on it. Upasanam. So Upasan Chakratuhu. Chakratuhu, they did it. Chakruhu is Bahuvachanam. Chakrire, Chakruhu is Ekvachanam. Chakrire, Bahuvachanam. Chakratuhu, Dvivachanam. Those 2 have done Upasana of that Tapovanam. How did they do? Yat tau Paramadhanvinau. Paramadhanvinau. Dhanvi. Dhanuhu. Yasya. Dhanvi. Dhanvi is one of the names they say, right? of course, Nakaranta Padam. So Dhanvin, one of my cousin's son's name is Dhanvin. So Dhanvin, Prathama Vibhakti will be Dhanvi, Ekavachanam. Dvivachanam, Dhanvinau. So Parama Dhanvinau, one who can hold the ultimate Dhanush, or Parama Dhanvinau. So Parama Dhanvinau, Rarakshatuhu Munivaram Vishwamitram. So Tau Arindamau Parama Dhanvinau Virau Upasan Chakratuhu Vishwamitram Munivaram Rarakshatuhu. So two verbs are here, two actions. One is they have Upasan Chakratuhu, that means they did the Upasana of the Tapovanam, and at the same time Vishwamitram Rarakshatuhu means Raksham Kritavantau iti Rakshatuhu. That means they protected Vishwamitra as well. They protected the ashrama along with Vishwamitra. That's what it means. Atha kale gate tasmin.
Atha kale gate tasmin.
Shashte hani samagate.
Shashte hani samagate.
Saumitrim abravidramo.
Saumitrim abravidramo.
Yatto bhavasamahitaha.
Yatto bhavasamahitaha.
So 6 days and nights. So they spent 6 days. Atha Shashte ahani samagate kale. After the 6 days of the time that passed, means after 6 days have passed. So now Saumitrim Ramaha Abravit. Unto Lakshmana, Rama said, 6 दिन हुआ कुछ हलचल नहीं. Hey, today is the last day. We have to be careful. Yattaha. Yattaha is with effort. Yatnam. By efforts is yattaha. Yattaha bhava. Become, what should we say? Is there an adjective based for that in English? Become, yatna is trial or with efforts. So stay, be ready with efforts or be ready to take up efforts. Today is the last day. I think something will happen today. Otherwise, why would Vishwamitra, he would have brought us here? Days passed away, so rather 6 nights passed away. Today is the last day. Shashte ahani samagate. Today is the 6th day that has come. So 5 days and nights have passed. Shashte samagate. The 6th day having come today. Yattaha bhava. Samahitaha. Samahitaha is from all sides. All sides, be ready to do anything. These guys might come from any side, any time. Be ready, Lakshmana. Today is the last day. We should win it. That's essentially what Rama told to Lakshmana, Saumitrim. Ramasyaivam Bruvanasya.
Yeah, go ahead, Lina.
Ramasyaivam Bruvanasya.
Svaritasya Yujutsaya.
Svaritasya Yujutsaya.
Prajajvala tato vedihi.
Prajajvala tato vedihi.
Sopadhyaya Purohita.
Sopadhyaya Purohita.
So Ramasya evam Bruvanasya. Just at that moment as Rama was saying this to Lakshmana, that Lakshmana, be ready, anything might happen, today is the last day. And Tvaritasya, and also being with that eagerness or with that quickness. Tvara is also sometimes quick. Hurry. Hurry is one thing, but quick.
Satshashti asti va? Satshashti asti? Satshashti asti va?
Srishti. तस्य एवं ब्रुवाणस्य त्वरितस्य तस्य रामस्य तट्टु Yuyutsaya, again said Yuyutsaya. So this is how we should understand Rama. Rama as a calm, soft, polite guy. Telugu they say Raman manchi baludu, means as if he's a acha buddhu bala hai. No, that is not Rama. Yuyutsaya tvaritaha. Always ready to fight. इतना सीखा है तो इसका प्रयोग करना है ना दुष्टों के ऊपर. इतना अस्त्र लिया, इतना lessons लिया. So I have to apply them. So Yuyutsa always has that eagerness to fight the evil, of course. So Yuyutsaya tvaritasya ramasya evam bruvanasya. At that moment, as he was saying this, Vedihi, Vedi is that Yajna Vedi, that location, that dais location. Tataha Vedihi ta upadhyaya purohita. Vedi, along with the upadhyayas and purohita. Upadhyaya today for us is a teacher, but upadhyaya is one of the roles of the yajna. In the yajna there are several roles. There is Ritvik, Hota, Brahma, Adhariyu, and of course upadhyaya. Several such roles are there. We do not know all those roles today for us ordinary people. But those Somyajis and all who do yajnas nowadays, they know those roles. So, along with Upadhyayaha and Purohitaha, that entire Vedi along with Upadhyayaha and Purohitaha, Prajajvala, suddenly it got on fire. Now we know the entry, and which exactly Rama anticipated.
Bhogaji, I just realized this Yuyutsa word had come earlier, even in Bhagavad Gita chapter 1, I think, initially. Yes. Drishtemam Swajanam Krishna Yuyutsam Samupasthitam.
Yuyutsam, those all of them were ready to do yuddha. Un sabko dekh ke drishtva.
Desire. Icharthak. Icharthak pratyay.
Icharthak, correct. Icham, that's what we said, right? Yudham, Icha, Yuyutsa. Patum Icha, Pipasa. Vaktum Icha, Vivaksha, and so on. So it just got on the fire. That Vedi along with Purohitas, the Vedi which was occupied by Purohitas and Upadhyaya and all other such roles of Pandits or Vaidics there, that got on fire. Sadarbha chama sasrukha.
Sadarbha chama sasrukha.
Sasamit kusumochaya.
Sasamit kusumochaya.
Vishwamitrena sahita.
Vishwamitrena sahita.
Vedir Jajwala Sartvija.
Vedir Jajwala Sartvija.
So that Vedi which got Jajwala, he's elaborating further that, as I said, right, there are more roles, not only Upadhyaya and Purohita. Now there is Saritvija along with Ritviks. Vibhakti of Ritvik is a Jakaranta padam. So Ritvij is the padam. So Ritvija by Ritvik, by Ritviks. By Ritvija, Vishwamitrena Sahita, along with Vishwamitra, that Vedi, again Jajwala got on fire. And what else was there in that Vedi? Just he is also giving some more visuals for us. So there are Upadhyayaha, Purohitaha, Ritviks in the center, Vishwamitra, and Sadarbha, Tamasaha, Tirak. So those are the three additional yajna-related components or items that are just quoted here for us, so that at least we know this much, that yajna means at least, we know these terms of it. Can we all say these terms one more time? So that at least we should know, right? Just as we say, if there is a baseball game, we all know there will be, quarterback, whatever those terms are there, right? Likewise, cricket may be, what are those terms?
Long off, long on, mid wicket,
long off,
point,
mid west, whatever. वो सब रहता है. ऐसे हमारा यज्ञ का भी थोड़ा टर्म समझाने, right? At least इतना तो हमें, we as Hindus should know this much at least. So let us say these terms. Upadhyaya.
Upadhyaya. Upadhyaya.
Purohita.
Purohita. Purohita.
Ritvik.
Ritvik. Ritvik.
Darbha.
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 Tamasaha.
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 Trik.
Trik.
Trik. Sumocha.
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 So at least these terms, at least we should know these many. If anybody talks of yajna, just to throw these 2-3 terms. Oh, Ritvik, Adhvaryu, Upadhyaya, Purohita, all of them are there. And they'll go, boy, yajna, अरे भाई थोड़ा इनसे थोड़ा संभाल के बात करना. Right? So remember these terms, and wherever you go, just throw those 4 terms. Then everybody will become conscious there, unconscious. So, and in Samskrita Bharati also, when we teach Chamasaha, we teach Chashakaha, Chamasaha, basics we teach. Where does that word come from? From Yajna. Chamasaha. And Srik. Srik is that Homapana Patram. Homapatram, that vessel in which they put the Chama Yajna, the ghee patram, essentially the ghee patram is the Srik, and the Chamasaha is there in it. And with that they do Ekam, Trini, Dve, Trini, and then they pour the, they offer the ghee, right? Ghritam to the Yajnam. So those are the items, tools used there, devices used there. So roles of persons and these devices, along with sa, when it says, it means tena saha, along with is sa, along with all of them that Vedi got on fire. Mantra vacha yatha nyayam.
Mantra vacha yatha nyayam.
Yajno sau sampravartate.
Yajno sau sampravartate.
Akashe cha mahan shabdah.
Akashe cha mahan shabdah.
Pradurasid bhayanakah.
Pradurasid bhayanakah.
Uttamam, Ambe, you gave me Shruti to.
Yeah. Astu.
So mantravat cha yatha nyayam yajnah asau sampravartate. That as such, that yajnah was going on with mantravat, along with all the mantras, as per mantras. Mantravat yatha nyayam, as per the guide, as per the user guide, as per the manual, as per instructions, that yajna was going on. Asau yajna sampravartate, samyak pravartate. But akashe cha, in the sky, in the space, akashe cha mahan shabdah, huge sound like thunder. Not thunder is nothing, but mahan shabdah, praduhu. Praduhu is arouse. Udbhavati is praduhu. Pradurbhutaha, we say, right? Likewise, he is saying pradurasit. Pradurasit. There was one sound that arose in the sky, huge sound. Bhayanakaha, very terrifying sound. Terrifying sound blew in the sky that moment when this yajna was going on. as per mantras and as per Nyaya. Avarya gaganam megho
आवार्य गगनं मेघो
यथा प्रावृषि निर्गतः
यथा प्रावृषि निर्गतः
तथा मायां विकुर्वाणौ
तथा मायां विकुर्वाणौ
राक्षसावभ्यधावताम्.
राक्षसावभ्यधावताम्.
So gaganam megha yatha avarya pravrushi nirgataha तथा मायां विकुर्वाणौ राक्षसौ अभ्यधावताम्. So for the rain to pravrushi is rain. Pravrushi varsha kale. तथा varsha kale nirgato megha. Because in rainy season, if once it rains, clouds are gone. Right? That means clouds run away, they say. Tatha mayam vikurvanau, likewise doing maya, of suddenly throwing some fire on the Vedi, suddenly throwing something else. Where is it coming from? We are not even able to realize that swiftly doing. That is called maya. So tatha mayam vikurvanau rakshasau abhyadhavatam. They came running unto this Vedi from Akasha, doing all this maya, just as when there is just as rain falls from the cloud, so also these two guys fell from the cloud onto this Vedi, or trying to fall onto this Vedi from sky, making that thunder sound and all. That is the simile given there. Just as rain falls from the megha, so also these two guys have fallen from the sky. Marichascha subahuscha
मारीचश्च सुबाहुश्च
yor anucharascha ye
अयोरनुचराश्च ये
agamya bhima sankashah
आगम्य भीमसङ्काशाः
रुधिरौघमवासृजन्.
रुधिरौघमवाप्सृजन् अवासृजन्.
Very good. So initially there was sound, and then there is rain. Typically that's how there is, right? There is thunder and then there is rain. So also these two guys, they made the thunder, and then what did they do? Instead of rain, marichascha subahuscha tayoho anucharascha ye. Maricha and Subahu and all those his followers, their followers, anucharaha, their teammates. Agamya, having come there, ake, Bhima Sankashaha. Each one was like Bhima, very hefty, strong, and all of that. Rudhiraugam, Ogham is a heap. Rudhira is blood. Rudhira Ogham, a heap of blood. That means huge, tons and tons, volumes of blood. Avasrajan, they were pouring it. So just as when there is a thunder in Pravrishi, in that rainy season, Varsha Kale, from the Megha, the rain falls. So also these two guys made that sound, that Mahan Shabda in the sky, and Rudhiraugham Avasrijan, instead of rain, these guys started pouring blood. Tatena Rudhiraugena.
तातेन रुधिरोघेन
Vedirjajvalamandita
वेदिर्जज्वालमण्डिता
Sahasabhidruto Ramah
सहसा विधृतो रामः
Tanapashyattato divi
तानपश्यत् ततो दिवि
सा वेदिः सा मंडिता वेदिः तेन रुधिरौघेन जज्वाला. So jajwala not necessarily always means fire, not disturbed. Essentially, when fire comes, what happens? Things are transformed from one material to the other material. So essentially that's the meaning here. So with this blood and all that mamsa that they are throwing, that mandita vedihi, mandita is alankaranam, nicely decorated vedi, suddenly sort of got disformed. Sahasa, immediately or spontaneously, instantaneously. Sahasa abhidrutaha, running. Rama immediately jumped. Ramaha tan apasyat, he immediately saw. Whereas all others were thinking it is Maya, Rama immediately saw, oh, tan apasyat tataha divi. In the sky, he saw those two guys and all the Rakshasas. Immediately he ran or took his position. When he ran, meaning he ran or he jumped to take position to start shooting arrows at them. That's how we should visualize that.
What is abhidrutaha?
Drutaha, abhidrutaha. Druta is bhavati. Abhidrutaha. Dhavan, abhimukham dhavan. Iti bhashyam atra datam. Abhidrutaha means abhimukham dhavan. Running to face them is abhidrutaha. Tava patantau sahasa.
तावा पतन्तो सहसा
दृष्ट्वा राजीवलोचनः
दृष्ट्वा राजीवलोचनः
लक्ष्मणं त्वमभिसम्प्रेक्ष्य very good. Sunita ji knows it very well. लक्ष्मणं त्वभिसम्प्रेक्ष्य रामो वचनमब्रवीत् तौ आपतन्तौ, those two, Maricha and Subahu, who were about to jump there. Apatati, apat means something that is falling. Patati is the root word there. Patati, apatati, falling from all sides. Apatantau, those two who are falling in continuous tense. Those two are falling there. Drishtva, seeing them. Rajivalochanaha, the lotus-eyed Ramaha. Lakshmanam to Abhi Samprekshya, looking at him. ऐसा थोड़ा ऐसा देखा उनको, लक्ष्मण को देख के वचनम अब्रवीत. Rama said this to Lakshmana again. Rama always needs Lakshmana to express his feelings, his wishes, etc. He always needs him next to him. See now, he's about to say that. Pashya Lakshmana Durvrittan.
Pashya Lakshmana Durvrittan. Durvrittan.
Rakshasan Pishitashanan.
Rakshasan Pishitashanan.
Manavastra Samadhutan.
Manavastra Samadhutan.
Anilena Yatha Ghanan.
Anilena Yatha Ghanan.
Pashya, Sri Lakshmana, Pashya Lakshmana, Sri Lakshmana, Durvrittan, these dirty fellows who are into bad character. Vritti is your living, your expression, your style of living.
Tendency, yeah.
Your profession in a way, but the way you stay, you live. Durvritti, one who is into bad living. Look at these bad living fellows, Rakshasan. Pishitashanan. Ashanam is to eat. Anashanam is not to eat. This is what is in Hindi. Anshan they say. Anashanam is the word there. So Ashanam is to eat. What are they eating? Pishita. Pishita is Mamsa Bhakshana Shilan. those mamsam, those who eat muscle, meat eaters is Pishitashanan. But they say Rama is also Kshatriya. He also must be eating Pishita. But then what is the difference? So Pishita versus Mamsa. Samskrita Mamsam becomes Aharam. That becomes, when offered to God, becomes Naivedyam. That you eat is Prasadam. So even when our Bali and all is given by villagers, what they do, they don't eat them goat directly or whichever is that animal. They would first decorate it. That is called samskara. They do samskaranam. They refine it first from an ordinary animal into a divine offering. And then they offer it to Devi. And then they eat that. So it is no more Pishita. It becomes Ahara or Prasada. It in fact becomes Prasada. So that is the difference to know that. I mean, even though Rama is also Kshatriya, but they eat in a Samskrita way, in a refined way. But Pishitam is directly, those who eat directly as an animal, directly kill that and eat directly. Those are Pishitashanan. So Pishitashanan, Durvrittan, Rakshasan, Pashya Lakshmana, look at them, these dirty fellows. Manavastram, Manavastra Samadhutan. I shall rid them with this something called Manavastra. Yatha Anilena Ghanan. Just as Anila is air, wind. Just as with wind, Ghanaha, the clouds are, thrown away. Just as if there is huge wind, clouds move away, right? They cannot stay there anymore. So just as with wind, the clouds are removed or taken away, so also with this Manavastram, I shall Samadhutan, I shall wash them away, or I shall throw them away, essentially, is the meaning there. Manavam Paramodaram,
Manavam Paramodaram,
Paramabhaswaram,
Mastam Paramabhaswaram,
Kepa Paramakrudhaha,
Chikshepa Paramakruddhaha,
Marichorasi Raghavaha.
Marichorathi Raghavaha.
So Paramakruddhaha. On one hand, we read in first sarga Jatakrodhaha. There itself we said Jatakrodha doesn't mean oh kabhi krodh nahi rehta. No. Krodh chahiye, jab chahiye, you should be able to express it. If you win over somebody, what does it mean? That not that you have killed him. You win somebody means he is always at your service. You can utilize him whenever, wherever, whichever way you want. Likewise, if we can win over anger, it means we can press it, put it to rest, or apply it whenever, wherever as required. So to really fight with such, ferocious Pishitashanan and Rakshasan, you need Krodha. And only then that you'll be able to fight with them. Oh, aisa baithe to you cannot fight. So we should imagine differently, Rama. But with Krodha, Paramakrudhaha, that too, with very fierce anger, Paramakrudhaha, Maricha Urasi, Marichasya Urasi, onto his chest, Paramabhaswaram, very glowing, Paramodaram at the same time, unfortunately, or fortunately, Parama Udaram, Manavam Astram. He applied this Manavastra, which is like our non-violent astra. He chikshepa, he threw, he shot this very glowing but soft, soft astra. This is Paramodaram Astram, Marichorasi, onto the chest of Maricha. He shot this Paramastram. Why they say, we'll read why. Because he didn't want to kill him. Atra Shloke, no, not this. They said here somewhere, in the Bhashyam that because Rama wants to keep him for the next events upcoming, so he didn't kill Maricha. He just through this Paramodaram Manavastram. Everyone repeat this sloka. Maybe one. Yeah, let us all repeat it. I'll tell you why. Satena Paramastrena.
Satena Paramastrena
Manavena Samahatah.
Manavena
Samahataha
Sampurnam Yojana Shatam.
Sampurnam Yojana Shatam
Tasagara Samplave.
Sagara Samplave.
Why did I ask everyone to repeat this? Atra shloke prathamaha sakaraha Gayatri dvitiya varnaha iti vadanti. So we said, if you remember in the very first session on last year's Sri Ramanavami, 2020 Sri Ramanavami, as we were describing the significant qualities of Ramayanam or significant aspects of Ramayanam, we said it is 25,000 shlokas, and every 1000th shloka, the first letter is the corresponding letter of the Gayatri Mantra. Gayatri Mantra has 24 aksharas and 24,000 shloka. First letter of each one of them is the Gayatri Mantra, aksham. So first one, what is it? Tapaswadhyaya niratam ta. Gayatri Mantra starts with tat. So tat is the first takara. Second letter is tat sa. Saviturvarenyam, we say it. So sa is the next letter. So far we have completed 1000 shlokas. This is the 1001st shloka, starting with sa. Right? So that is this significant shloka. That's why I asked all of us to repeat it. So sa tena paramastrena manavena samahataha. So by that manavastra, paramastrena manavena, by that great manava astra, saha marichaha, tena, by that sampurnam yojana shatam kshiptaha, full 100 yojanas, he was thrown by just shooting that arrow on him with so much energy or so much force that Maricha flew 100 yojanas away, Sagara Samplave, over the Sagara. He flew. Plava is to fly, right? Plavanama Samvatsara, this year. This Plava is to fly, float, fly. He floated or he flew over the Pak Ocean, or call it, what is it, or Pak Straits, or what is it, or Ram Setu, that into Lanka. That's how he ended up with Ravanasura there, with Ravana there. So Sampurnam Yojana Shatam Kshiptaha. Kshiptaha is thrown away. Sagara Samplave, he flew over the Sagara. Vichetanam Vighurnantam.
Vichetanam Vighurnam tam.
Shite Shubalataditam.
Shite Shubalataditam.
Nirastam Drashya Maricham.
Nirastam Drashya Maricham.
Ramo Lakshmanam Abravit.
Ramo Lakshmanam Abravit.
Maricham Drashya. Hey, see Lakshmana. Lakshmanam Abravit. So Rama said unto Lakshmana, what did he say? Vichetanam Vighurnam Siteshu Balataritam Nirastam Tam Maricham Drishya. Actually, Pasya is how we say, but in here Drishya is also used as a verb. A different usage, not a common usage. Common usage is Pasya. Pasya, even in the 15th sloka, Pasya Lakshmana Durvrittan, he said, right? Pasya is the normal usage, but here Drishya is also used, but that's okay, acceptable. So Vichetanam, without Chetana. We is here, we, without, we for without. Without Chetanam is Vichetanam. Vighurnam, without Ghurnam. without ghurnam. Without ghurna is energy. Without ghurnam, no energy. Siteshu balataditam. So to apply that manavastra, what the material that Rama used is Sita Ishu. Ishu is Ishubhi Pariyotsa, they say, right? Ishubhihi. Ishu is the arrow. Which arrow did he use? Sita Ishu. Cold arrow. So that he shot the cold arrow. With that he applied the manavastra. So Siteshu balataditam. With very forcefully, taditam is hit. Tadanam is hit. Taditam, one who was hit by. So hit by that cold arrow became vichetanam, without chetana, without ghurna. Nirastam. Nirastam is like sunset. Yes. Fell off. He has set down. Nirastam. Maricham. Drishya. Lakshmana, look at him. See, just one Sita issue we shot, the Manavastra. See how far he flew away and fell off. Sort of that joyfully Rama asked Lakshmana to look at him. So here they are saying, Marichasya pranarakshanam bhavi karyantara sadhanaya. Bold, I've written from the Bhashyan. They are saying. So, Marichasya pranarakshanam. Whereas he has killed all other Rakshasas. But Maricha, for some reason, he has protected him for bhavi karyantara sadhanaya. For the future work, you need him still. Maricha has a role to play. And so for the future role, he still kept him alive, thrown him far away from the Siddhashrama. Again he is saying, Pasya Lakshmana Siteshum.
Pasya Lakshmana Sitesham.
Manavam Dharma Samhitam.
Manavam Dharma Samhitam.
Mohayitva Nayatyenam.
Mohayitva Nayatyenam.
Nacha Pranair Vyayujyata.
Nacha Pranayat Vyavijyaya.
Vyayujyata.
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 Yujyata. So Pasya Lakshmana, he's again saying, Lakshmana, see, I've applied that Siteshu, right? Siteshu Manavam Dharma Samhitam. Because this Manavastra is to be applied for Dharma, to establish, along with Dharma. Dharma Samhitam, for the Hita of Dharma, for the welfare of Dharma, I have applied this Manavam through the Sita issue, through that cold arrow, which shall Mohayitva Nayati Enam. By mesmerizing him, sort of by dozing him off, it shall carry him. Nayati enam. Pranair Vyayujyata. Rama knew already. It shall keep him with life. It will not kill him. It will keep him with life. Rama is telling Lakshmana for us again, narrating his own sentence for us here. Imanapi vadhishyami.
Imanapi vadishyami.
Nirghrinam duštacharinaha.
Nirghrinam duštacharinaha.
Rakshasan papakarmastan.
Rakshasan papakarmastan.
Yajñagnan rudhirashanan.
Yajñagnan rudhirashanan.
So he's saying, I've just kept him alive, that fellow Maricha, but Iman, these Iman Nirghrinan Duštacharinaha Rakshasan Papakarmastan Yajñagnan Rudhirashanan Vadhishyami. He's saying, these fellows, I'm going to kill them. I kept him, I know why, because I want him to do his next, he has another theme to play, so I kept him alive. But these fellows, I don't need them, I shall kill them now. What kind of they are nirghrinan. Nirghrina is without energy, but it also means using it for bad purposes. Nirghrinan. Duštacharinaha, those who are into bad activities. hurting activities. Rakshasan, of course, these are Rakshasas. Papa karmasthan. This usage this suffix we should learn. We all know it, but just to remind it. For example, we would have heard grihastha. Right? What does that mean? Grihe tishtati yaha saha grihastha. Stha is for sthanam. Tishtati, sthanam. Papa karmastha. Those who sit in doing papa karmas. They are papa karmastha. So, papa karmasthan, than rakshasan, who are yajna ghnan. Ghna is gnanti. The root is hanti. Hananam kurvanti. Ye te gnaha. So, krutagnaha, kritagnaha. कृतस्य विषयस्य ज्ञानं यस्य अस्ति सः कृतज्ञः कृतस्य विषयस्य हननं करोति यः सः कृतघ्नः right so ghna is to kill so likewise yajna ghnaha those who kill yajna those who disturb destroy yajna are yajna ghnaha so yajna ghnan rudhirashanan so not only are they pishitashanan. Pishita is mamsa. These fellows are halal guys. They not only leave meat, blood also. So Rudhirashana. Somebody told me day before yesterday, we do not know how valid it is or not. But they said the Himalaya drugs are also halal meat certified. Himalaya we think is...
they use gelatin, Bhogaji. That is also halal certified.
Yeah, halal certified. What to do? So those are Marichas and Subahus who always talk of halal. Whereas we want to talk of Ahara, Naivedya, Prasadam. That is us. And so we need Paramakruddha, Manavastram when required, or Brahmastram when other times required. Applicable leaders. Let's pray for it every day. So Iman Nirghranan Dishtachariнаha Papakarmasthan Yajnagnan Rudhirashanan Rakshasan Vadhishyami. I shall kill them, said Rama. And to Lakshmana. We'll complete in another 5 slokas. Sangrahyaastram tato ramo.
Sangrahyaastram tato ramo.
Divyamagneyamadbhutam.
Divyamagneyamadbhutam.
Subahurasi chikshepa.
Subahurasi chikshepa.
My mistake. Subahurasi, Savarna Dirgha. Subahurasi chikshepa.
Subahurasi chikshepa.
Saviddha prapatadbhuvi.
Saviddha prapatadbhuvi.
So Sangrahya, now by taking that, Sangrahya, by collecting it and putting it together, Sangrahya, Astram, what Astram? Divyam Agneyam Adbhutam. Divyam Adbhutam Agneyastram, essentially, that's what it means. So he, by putting together that divine, superb Agneyastram, the Astra of Agni Devata, Agneyastram, Ramaha Tataha, then Rama, Subahu Rasi, previously Maricho Rasi Chikshepa, the previous Manavastram, Paramodaram, Paramabhaswaram, Manavastram, Maricho Rasi Chikshepa. But now, Subahu Rasi, Agneyastram, Chikshepa, onto Subahu, he shot this Agneyastram. And what shall it do? It will fire. It'll burn him, char him to ashes. Chikshepa, Saviddha, the one that Subahu who got hit by it. Prapatat, apatat, patati is fall. Apatat, apatat is past tense, it fell or he fell. Apatat, prapatat, it fell off properly. Bhuvi, on the earth. Till that time he was fighting from sky with this Agneyastram. That fellow fell, crashed on earth, on the land. Sheshan Vayavyamadaya.
Sheshan Vayapya Amadaya
Nijaghana Mahayashah.
Nijaghana Mahayashaha
Raghava Paramodaro.
Raghava Paramodaro
Muninam Mudamavahan.
Muninam Mudamavahan.
The gang that came were Maricha, Subahu and Tayor Anucharaha. First Maricha was thrown away over 100 yojanas with Manavastram, which is Paramabhaswaram and Paramodaram. Then Subahu was shot and crashed onto earth with the Agneyastram, Divyam Adbhutam Agneyastram. Keshan, Shesha is remaining fellows, the other fellows, the leftover remaining Rakshasas, all other Anucharaha. Sheshan, of all of them, Mahayashaha Ramaha, Raghavaha, Paramodaraha, Vayavyam Adaya, Nijaghana, Nijaghana, kill, Nijaghana Tato Ramaha. Remember in the first ashram, in the first sarga. Nijaghana, Nijaghana Rani, Nijaghana Tato Ramaha, Rakshasan, Sarva, there's that shloka. Nijaghana Tato Rama, Rakshasan, right, first sarga, right? Nijaghana, killed. Anyone remembers? Somebody was saying. Yes, Lina, go ahead. Nijaghana.
Nijaghana Vani Rama Teshan Chaiva Padanugan.
Teshan Chaiva Padanugan. Anuga, Pada Anuga, Anugachati Anugan, followers. Pada Anugan, followers of the footsteps of Maricha and Subahu. Tesham Cha, of their followers. Vane Nijaghana, he killed them in the Vana. That is in Aranyakanda, which comes much later. But here at least, same way, Nijaghana, he killed Sheshan, the rest, the remaining all other Rakshasas, with Vayavyam. To Subahu he applied Agneyastram, Maricha he applied Manavastram, and for all other Rakshasas he just applied Vayavyastram and he fell them off. Muninam Mudam Avahan, by obtaining the Mudam, by obtaining the happiness of all Munis. Muninam, of all Munis. So by felling them, he got the, or he obtained the happiness or the pleasure of all the Munis, which means all the Munis were happy, pleased. Sahatva Rakshasan Sarvan.
Sahatva Rakshasan Sarvan.
Pragya, you read this sloka, this is for you. Sahatva Rakshasan Sarvan.
Sahatva Rakshasan Sarvan.
Yajnagnan Raghunandanaha.
Yajnagnan Raghunandanaha.
Rishibhik Pujitastatra.
Rishibhih Pujitastasta.
Tatra.
Tatra.
Yathendro Vijaye Pura.
Yathenyo Vijate Pura.
Raghunandanaha. That's why you have to read that sloka. So Raghunandanaha Sarvan Yajnagnan Rakshasan Hatva Rushibhihi Pujitaha Tatra. By all the Rishis, he was worshipped. Yatha, Vijaye Pura Indraha. As in the past, every time Indra wins, Vijaye, in winning, just as he was worshipped by all the gods, so also Rama was worshipped by all. Raghunandana was worshipped by all the rishis upon killing the Yajna Sarvan Rakshasan. Atha yajne samapte tu
यज्ञे समाप्ते तु
Vishwamitro Mahamunihi
विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः
Niritika Disho Društva
निरीतिका दिशो दृष्ट्वा
Kakutstamidam Abravit
काकुत्स्थमिदमब्रवीत्
Kakutstam
काकुत्स्थम्
Idam Abravit.
इदमब्रवीत्.
So Niritikaha Badharahitaha. So all the relieved from all the pains, Vishwamitra Mahamunihi Dishaha Društva, by looking all around. Oh good, everything is safe, everything is fine. So Dishaha Društva, by looking all the directions, all sides. Kakutstham idam abravit. He said this to Kakutstha, who is Rama. When Yajne Samapti, because he went into Maunitvam, he would not talk. It is the final day. Finally, all these guys have come. Rama took care of them and somehow protected the Vedi and the Yajna. And luckily, they could complete the Yajna. They were trying to do this 6-day Yajna several times, 6-night Shadratram Yajna several times in the past. But that's what Vishwamitra explained to Dasharath also. So once I get into Maunitvam, I cannot give even a shapa. I cannot talk. Because that is the diksha I take. And so these fellows come and disturb us. So you send Rama, and now the mission accomplished. That's what Vishwamitra is so happy. Kritarthosmi Mahabaho.
Kritarthosmi Mahabaho.
Kritam Guruvachastvaya.
Kritam Guruvachastvaya.
Siddhashramamidam Satyam Kritam.
Siddhashramamidam Satyam Kritam.
Rama Mahayashaha.
Rama Mahayashaha.
Oh Mahayasha Rama, Satyam Kritam. You did truthfully. What? Two things. One, Guruvachaha. You have, me being your Guru, whatever instruction I gave you, Guruvachaha Tvaya Kritam. You have fulfilled. So Krutarthaha Asmi. I have become one whose purpose is served. Kruta Arthaha. The purpose is Artha. Kruta. The purpose is fulfilled. I am fulfilled. My purpose is fulfilled. So Krutarthaha Asmi Mahabaho. A strong arm. Rama strong arm. Neil Armstrong. Sorry, Rama Armstrong. Rama Armstrong. Mahabaho. Kritam Guruvatastvaya. Are you have fulfilled, or you did the Guru's statement, Guru's instructions you have fulfilled. Siddhashramam idam Satyam Kritam. The name of Siddhashrama was made truthful by you. Rama Mahayasha. Oh Rama Mahayasha. This is how Vishwamitra finally praised Rama. That Rama not, so Rama is Satyavan, we say, Satyaparakramaha. And that is substantiated by Vishwamitra, saying Rama Siddhashramam Satyam Kritam. This Siddhashrama is given the name truthfully by you in a way, or made truthful by you. Why? We said whatever we try to do here will be succeeded, will be successfully completed. Siddha is from success. Siddhashramam, successful ashrama. And that was made true by you. You gave it the true meaning. Rama, That's how he's praising him. So Satya Parakrama is proven substantiated by Rama himself. Ityarshe
Yashi
Srimad Ramayane
Srimad Ramayane
Valmikiye
वाल्मीकिये
Adikavye
आदिकाव्ये
Balakande
Balakande
Trimshat Sargah.
Trimshat Sargah.
We completed the 30th Sarga today. So Rama did his second big task. The first task was killing Tataka. Second big task of killing Subahu and all Rakshasas and throwing away Maricha. And again now, next sloka onwards, will, as I said before, next another 30 sargas, or probably less than 30 sargas, will run in telling two grand, detailed, long-running stories. Let's all be attending those, because we have to learn this great history of our land. Our land is in Bharatavarsha, right? Because Vishwamitra, how did he become? So the story of how Vishwamitra became Brahmarshi, and he tells himself, he tells his own story without any inhibitions, without any, what do you say, as is, as it is, Bhagavad Gita as it is, as ISKCON says. So also Vishwamitra tells his story as it is. He tells all his wrongdoings, all his ego, all the mistakes that he did. He tells very, what do you say, honestly. That will run into about 10 to 12 sargas. Followed by that is another great grand story of Bharat, Gangavataranam. How Ganga was brought by 4 generations. So we have to study that Gangavataranam also. Let's be focused next several weeks, probably 20 to 30 weeks, in studying these 2 grand stories.
Bogaji, there's third one also. Shanmukha Utpatti. Shanmukha Utpatti, birth of Shanmukha.
Shanmukha Utpatti, of course, yeah, of course.
It's very, especially very important for children.
Correct.
Yeah.
Anybody has anything else to say?